Hey everybody, it's Rich with Did It Done It Right. Today I'm going to show you how I perform monthly maintenance on my Bosch dishwasher that I bought for $50 several months ago. For about 15 minutes of work per month, you can keep your dishwasher operating in peak performance by following these simple steps. This video is about 10 minutes, so be sure to stick through to the end. Let's get started. Okay, you can see a little bit of discoloration on the door. You're going to notice the dishwashers were taking apart the screen, things like that. You're going to notice some food buildup and just grease and things like that throughout. On the front of that basket that I'm removing, you can see the repair that I did in my other video with epoxy, and it's still holding strong. The rust has been remediated, and it's still fully operational and doing well. So we're going to start by turning counterclockwise the center screen, and that's going to lift out all the screens on this Bosch dishwasher. Gross. This is a good indicator that this screen needs to be cleaned. When you can barely see through it with the food and the mineral buildup, it is time to clean your screens, all right? Now this is a good time to look in your sump area and see if there's any glass or debris inside that sump. We'll be wiping out that debris that goes around the filter there. But I like to remove my spray arm and check the jets and make sure it's not plugged up with plastic or toothpicks or any debris. This particular spray arm looks really good. There's nothing jammed in it, so it's going to spray really well in a wash cycle. Okay, let's get started cleaning the filters. First, we're going to need to separate the fine filter from the coarse filter. We're simply going to grab that fine filter and pull away from the coarse filter. See all that disgusting junk? That's 1 month's buildup. Now this coarse filter in the center there, that plastic piece, that catches toothpicks, glass, large debris, plastic pieces, things like that, and you can just tap it out. I don't recommend trying to take that bottom piece off of there. You cannot see through this filter because of the mineral buildup and the food and the oil. So now it's time to turn on our water. And we're going to use a wire brush. You can get these brushes at Home Depot or Lowe's and just scrub away. Spray it with degreaser. I don't use Zep. It's a Zep bottle, but I put a different type of degreaser in there. If you want to know the brand, let me know and I'll share it in the comments. But those little wire brushes work great. Scrub the inside of everything and the outside. You can see everywhere that I'm scrubbing. Flip it over and do the other side too. And then rinse it off and you'll see the difference. Looks amazing. Now reinstall your fine filter. And it snaps on just like that. We are done cleaning the filters. We're going to move on to the next stage. Okay, we're going to spray a little degreaser on our door gasket and we're going to wipe it down. I like to take a wire brush to it gently and I scrub off all the crud and the oil buildup, the soap scum buildup, water deposits, things like that. It can help prolong the life of your door gasket and help it seal better. I also like to wipe down the door, including the outer edges of the door. Not only does it make the dishwasher look really nice, but it does help it seal against that rubber seal. The top basket is not bent. I have it adjusted like that unintentionally. Now for the easiest part of our maintenance. We're going to take some of the active dishwasher cleaner, we're going to remove a pod, and we're going to place it in the soap dish dispenser. We're going to run the dishwasher through a regular cycle. That'll clean out any of the oils and junk and food. It does a good job. If you want to see the difference between other cleaners, you can watch my other video on the best way to clean a dishwasher. This is a 1-year supply, which comes in really handy. I like to spray the exterior of the dishwasher with a little bit of degreaser. I use a concentrate and I heavily dilute it with water. But spray the outside down, wipe it down. You can use vinegar, whatever cleanser you prefer, of course. Just wipe it down and then start your regular cycle. Okay, the wash cycle's done and this dishwasher looks amazing. Look at that stainless shine. I feel a lot better putting dishes in there now with a clean dishwasher. Now remember, don't pre-wash your dishes before you put them in a dishwasher. If you use a good soap and you're maintaining your dishwasher, then you will be fine. It will wash your dishes really good. I use Finish Quantum. That's what I personally prefer, and it seems to do a great job. With these European dishwashers, you want to make sure to use Rinse Aid, so fill up your Rinse Aid dispenser. I cover that in another video, but you can see the sides. Usually when you go to people's homes, you'll notice that those sides are really crusty and have a lot of food buildup because they just don't get wiped down. Test your racks, make sure they're rolling freely. Those rollers are really inexpensive. And if one's broken, just replace it. It'll prevent other problems from arising. Check your other spray arm for any blockages. And here I'm going to show you a close-up of where I made the repair on the rust on the rack in that prior video. And you can see that it's holding up really well. It's the first time I used JB Weld to repair rust on a dishwasher rack, and this is just working better than I had even expected. It's working better than the substances that you can buy specifically for dishwasher rack repair. Thanks so much for watching the video, and if it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me keep this content going. Have a good day.